On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Visualize.
To form a mental image or concept of something, to make something visible.
Examples:
Visualize data. Visualize flying through space. She tried to visualize the layout of the new house in her mind.
Nobleman.
A man of high rank or status.
Examples:
Nobleman title. A Bohemian nobleman. The young nobleman lived in a grand palace with high social status.
Ontology.
A branch of metaphysics concerned with the nature of being and the existence.
Examples:
Medical ontology. Ontology theory. The ontology of the universe is a complex and constantly evolving concept.
Consanguineous.
Relating to or descended from the same bloodline or common ancestor, having a close familial or genetic relationship.
Examples:
Consanguineous relationship. Consanguineous descendants. The royal family practiced consanguineous marriages to maintain their bloodline.
Archetype.
A very typical example of a certain person or thing, a recurrent symbol or motif in literature, art, or mythology that represents a universal pattern of human nature.
Examples:
Archetype symbol. Feminine archetype. The hero's journey is a common archetype in many myths and stories.
Embody.
To represent or exemplify something, to give tangible form to an abstract idea.
Examples:
Embody my goal. Embody a spirit of charity. The company's new products embody the values of innovation and sustainability.
Intricate.
Having many different parts and small details that all work together.
Examples:
Intricate details. Intricate lacework. The politician managed to deal with that intricate issue.
Symphony.
A long musical composition in Western classical music for orchestra, usually with 3 or 4 main parts called movements.
Examples:
A symphony orchestra. A beautiful symphony. The frequent performances of the symphony prove its popularity.
Neuron.
A cell that is specialized to carry information within the brain and between the brain and other parts of the body.
Examples:
Excite the neurons. Neuron cell body. Our body transfers information along each neuron using an electrical impulse.
Neocortex.
The part of the cerebral cortex that is responsible for higher brain functions such as conscious thought and decision-making.
Examples:
Stored in neocortex. Neocortex function. The cerebral neocortex is responsible for higher brain functions such as decision-making and problem-solving.
Conceive.
To have or develop an idea, a plan, etc. in mind, to become pregnant.
Examples.
Conceive of an idea. Conceive a child. I can't conceive he'd want to harm us.
Bastion.
A strong fortress or a stronghold that defends or protects.
Examples.
Bastion of good sense. A bastion against corruption. The ancient fortification served as a bastion of defense against invaders for centuries.
Enlightenment.
Education that results in understanding and the spread of knowledge.
Examples.
Spiritual enlightenment. Enlightenment activity. He finally brought his enlightenment to perfection.
Wikipedia.
An online encyclopedia that allows users to contribute and edit articles collaboratively, a vast and frequently updated repository of information on a wide range of topics.
Examples.
Wikipedia entry. Wikipedia article. Not all teachers accept citing Wikipedia as a valid source for academic papers.
Rhizome.
A root-like stem that grows horizontally underground, producing both roots and shoots to form new plants.
Examples.
Rhizome network. Underground rhizome. The rhizome of the plant allows it to spread and create new shoots.
Interdependent.
Depending on each other, mutually reliant or interconnected.
Examples.
Interdependent systems. Develop interdependent skills. In nature, all living things are interdependent and rely on each other for survival.
Decentralize.
To move the power, control, or authority of an organization, government, or system from a single place to several smaller ones.
Examples.
Decentralize authority. Decentralize organizational structure. We need to decentralize our data to recover quickly from a disaster.
Predator.
An animal whose natural behavior is to prey on others.
Examples.
Apex predator. Sexual predators. The native South American animals were in danger because of the predator's arrival.
Depict.
To illustrate someone or something in a photograph.
Examples.
Depict a scene. Depict a feeling of isolation. His son had accurately depicted the bloom.
Codfish.
A common name for various species of edible fish belonging to the family Gattidae, typically having elongated bodies and a flaky white flesh.
Examples:
Salted codfish, grilled codfish. I love eating fresh codfish with lemon and herbs.
Abound.
To exist in large numbers or quantities.
Examples:
Fish abound in this river. Abound with screaming children. Rumors abound as to the reasons for her resignation.
Taxonomy.
The classification or scientific study of organisms, including their relationships to each other, based on shared characteristics and traits, a system of organizing and categorizing information in a particular field or subject area.
Examples:
Taxonomy system. Biological taxonomy. The taxonomy of insects is incredibly complex due to the huge number of species.
Fascinate.
To attract and hold the attention of someone deeply and irresistibly.
Examples:
Fascinate the public. Fascinate the young. The magic tricks fascinated the children.
Typology.
The study or classification of types or patterns, particularly in terms of objects, concepts, or characteristics, a system or method of categorizing or organizing things into specific types or groups based on shared traits or attributes.
Examples:
Typology study. Psychological typology. The linguist studied the typology of languages across different regions.
Convergent.
Tending to come together or meet at a point, merging or intersecting, characterized by similarities or commonalities, particularly in different fields or areas of knowledge.
Examples:
Convergent beam. Convergent thinking. The similarities between the two cultures suggest convergent evolution.
Disparate.
Very different or distinct from something else, and is not connected or comparable in any way.
Examples:
Disparate impact. Physically disparate location. The organization worked to bring together disparate groups in the community.
Meme.
A cultural idea, value, or pattern of behavior that is passed from one generation to another by imitation rather than genetic means, as an internet meme, an image, a video, a piece of text, etc., that is remixed, copied, and circulated in a shared cultural experience online.
Examples:
Pronounce meme. Religious meme. This cute dog's photo spread around the world as an internet meme.
Enamel.
A hard, glossy coating that is applied to surfaces such as metal, glass, or ceramics to protect them from wear, corrosion, or weathering, the hard, white outer layer of teeth.
Examples:
Enamel coating. Enamel mugs. The dentist recommended using toothpaste with extra enamel protection to prevent cavities.
Pollination.
The transfer of pollen from the male reproductive organs of one flower to the female reproductive organs of another flower, resulting in fertilization and the production of seeds.
Examples:
pollination by insect, the cross-pollination of the arts. The pollination process is crucial for the growth and reproduction of many plants.
Graphite.
A soft, black, lustrous form of carbon that is conductive and used as a lubricant and in pencils and electrodes in electrical devices.
Examples:
graphite pencil, graphite mine. The graphite in the brake pads helps to reduce friction during braking.
Filament.
A thin wire or thread, especially one used to produce light in an electric bulb.
Examples:
filament lamp, carbon filament. The filament in the light bulb burned out, and now it's not working.
Droplet.
A small drop of liquid.
Examples:
droplet size, droplet formation. A single droplet of water can reflect the entire world upside down.
Interconnect.
To connect similar things.
Examples:
directly interconnect with those systems. Human activities interconnect with the environment. Our system can now interconnect with other databases.
Interdependence.
The fact or state of depending on each other.
Examples:
interdependence of mind and body. Global interdependence. The diplomatic rivalry between the two countries has strengthened the interdependence of their interregional supply chains for their manufacturing industries.
Decode.
To convert something, such as a message or piece of information, from a specific form into one that you can understand.
Examples:
decode a message. Ability to decode the differences. The software could decode the encrypted data and reveal the hidden information.
Recreate.
To make something that existed previously happen or appear to exist again.
Examples:
recreate a single country. Recreate the feeling of the 1920s. She recreated the atmosphere of the pre-war age with her stage setting.
Coincident.
Happening or operating in the same place or at the same time.
Examples:
coincident indicators. A series of coincident events. Coincident with the negotiation, the bank was permitted to open a Beijing branch.